Because of your expertise on resilience, indeed you've written the various reports for the UNWTO and others on resilience in times of crisis, you're well equipped to know what to do. What are you going to need from the international community, Minister?
Right. Now, the first thing that we would need, Richard, is for you to visit us. One of the best ways of assisting us to recover fast is to visit us. That's what we do. And then, of course, there's going to be the need for physical facilities, equipment that will be needed for the hotels, construction activities, rescue operations that may be required to enable us to restore the physical plants as quickly as possible. The airports, well, we'll see what happens there with Montego Bay after it is over. But the interesting thing here, Richard, is that even before the hurricane made landfall, we were bringing in technicians and reparatory arrangements were being put in place. So Jamaica is going to start recovering faster and will indeed recover quicker than most other places because we are well prepared.
Minister, our thoughts are with you, and I'm grateful for you giving us time tonight when you have so many calls, and hopefully we will speak again once the hurricane has passed. Thank the Tourism Minister, Edmund Bartlett, joining me from Jamaica. Thank you, sir.